me to tell you that in about a minute or a minute and a half. Needless to say, it's the first commemorative flag licensed by IPM, which is the exclusive licensor for the King Estate. We approached the King Center in Atlanta, Georgia, about a year ago with the concept of getting this particular token into schools across this nation because of an incident that occurred to my family back in 2000. And that incident was a hate crime. Needless to say, the hate crime is over with, that's been solved, etc. Out of that, my wife and I went on a mission to find out something that we can do to combat hate and ignorance across this country. Obviously, the first person we thought of was Dr. King. So we approached the King Center with the idea of making a flag. And the King Center verbatim told us that millions of people approach them for Dr. King's image every day, and they turn them down. But in this situation, they approved it. So on behalf of Ross Flags and Design, I would like to present this to the city of Plano.
Thank you.